Hello, my dear students. I am Pallavi Paul, the teacher of Techno India Group Public School. I welcome you all to the social science class. Today's topic is from class 5, chapter 9. The name of the chapter is Land of Hot Sands. Okay. Today you will learn about the animal life of the Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is home to mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects. The largest mammals include the dromedary camel, the Arabian tahar, that is a type of mountain goat, and the golden jackal and the Arabian wolf as well. So these are the different type of mammals found in Saudi Arabia. Okay. Smaller carnivores include the caracal, what is a medium-sized cat, and the sand cat, red and fennec foxes, and the striped hyena as well. Over there, see the first picture, that is the medium-sized cat of Saudi Arabia, and the second picture is of hyena. Okay. Now the birds, ducks, geese, and waterfowl, vultures, eagle, pheasants, grouse and allies, flamingos, hawks, pigeons and doves. These are the different type of birds that can be found in Saudi Arabia. See the first picture over there. This is the picture of eagle, and next one is pigeon. Okay. The Arabian spiny-tailed lizard is most common in Saudi Arabia. So over there, see the picture. This is the spiny-tailed lizard, okay, which can be found in Saudi Arabia. Several species of poisonous snakes are also found in the desert. Okay, so snakes are also common in Saudi Arabia. Different type of poisonous snakes can also be found. Okay. Among the snakes, all of which are feared by most Arabs, the sand cobra, a relative of the sea snake, is slim, sand-colored and venomous. Over there, see the picture. Sand cobra can be found in Saudi Arabia, which is very poisonous. Okay, so you should stay away from cobras. Okay, so over there see the picture, that is the picture of sand cobra, which can be found in the sand area of Arab. Saudi Arabia's coastline represents a vital part of the habitat of at least 3 species of marine animals found in the Arabian Gulf: dugongs, bottlenose dolphin, and Indo-Pacific humpback dolphins. Their hawksbill turtle and crabs can also be found. Okay, so these are the different type of animals or marine animals which can be found in Saudi Arabia. See the first picture over there, that is the dolphin. Second one is the turtle and third one is the crab. Okay. The region's animal life is varied and unique. Desert insects include flies, malaria carrying Anopheles mosquitoes, fleas, lice, roaches, ants, termites, beetles, etc. These are the different type of insects which can be found in Saudi Arabia. Over there, see the first picture, that is the mosquito, second one is ant, and third one is the beetle. Okay. Pools in oases contain small fish. There are a few amphibious animals such as newts, salamanders, toads and frogs can be found in the pools of the Saudi Arabia. Okay, amphibian animals. fishes, frogs, etc. Three eagle species are known: white-tailed, golden and tawny eagle. So these are the three types of eagle species which can be found in Saudi Arabia. Okay, eagle is a very important bird of Saudi Arabia and it is huge in size, and the eyesight of the eagle is also very good, and also it catches fish and it eats fish from the ponds or lakes or the rivers. Okay, it can fly very high as well. So there are hares as well as golden sand rabbits as well. Small rodents includes jorbos, mice, rats, while small hedgehogs are found among rocks. So what are the small animals? See the first picture, that is the rabbit, and the second picture is of a mice. Okay. The camel is the national animal of Saudi Arabia. You know, so what is the national animal of Saudi Arabia? Yes, that is camel. Why was the camel selected as the national animal? Which is called the sheep of the desert. So what is the other name of camel? Sheep of the desert. Okay. The camel has been used for transportation and as a working animal for centuries. You know, it was used for transportation and as working animal for centuries in the desert. See the first picture over there. A person has ride on the camel. So camel takes people from one place to another and it is used for transportation. And also see the second picture, camel is taking one thing on its back. So if anyone wants to send anything, any heavy thing from one place to another in the desert area, they use the camel. Okay, that's why it is known as the sheep of the desert, and that's why it is the national animal of Saudi Arabia. The cute sand cat, no larger than any average house cat, can only be seen in the western desert. See the picture over there? This is the picture of cute sand cat of Arabia, which is situated in the western desert. Okay. The Arabian wolf is also an endangered species. So it is endangered because it is decreasing. Farmers have hunted the wolf because it may stalk their livestock. Only about 2000 to 3000 Arabian wolves exist in the wild. So many hunters are killing the Arabian wolf. Okay. So very less number of Arabian wolves exist now in the wild of 2000 to 3000. Only 2000 to 3000 wolves are there. Okay. So this much today. I hope you understood this. Read your book properly. Read the animal life of the Arabia properly. Thank you so much, class.